Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get it. Let's talk Pepe in this video. All you crypto lovers out there, unfortunately, it's been kind of a rough time going. It's been rough talking about it, and it's something where I'm used to. I've been doing this for a few years where we have had ebbs and flows. We've had crashes. We've had rallies, pumps, whatever you want to call them. The ebbs and flows and the volatility within crypto, you kind of get desensitized to it after a while, and it's important to stay up to date with what's going on in the news, and that's exactly why I make these videos for you guys each and every day. So we are going to talk Pepe. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to talk about the future for Pepe moving forward, and if a crash or a further crash is on the horizon. I'm going to break this all down for you guys. And in some closing remarks, I am going to give you my thoughts on Pepe and how I feel about the meme coin that I think in some form or fashion has a lot of room to run if we are going to get into the deeper narrative on what's going on with crypto right here, right now. So let's get into it. Like I said, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching on X, following along, make sure you join me on my X channel. Make sure you follow there. All those things are completely free to do. It just keeps you informed what's happening each and every day in the market. So we'll talk about Pepe a little bit as we've broken through the support that we've recently seen, and if a major crash is now on the horizon. I want to get into these thoughts and comments, and also we are going to dive into the chart here as it stands for Pepe. To do that, we are going to turn to BTCC, the trusted exchange that I use. If you guys are looking for a new exchange, hop on down to the description where you will find my link, my sign-up link, where you can get some information and join us on BTCC. Start trading there today. They have spot and futures trading available to US-based clients and some promotions going on with Tesla truck and some other stuff along the way. So we're going to talk about it right now, and Pepe now has turned green, and as we shift gears into the crypto bubbles, I'm going to refresh this one for you guys, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. We have seen over in the last hour or so, the market is starting to grow a little grass. We're getting a little bit into the St. Patrick's Day holiday season. Let's get some green on the board, okay? And we're not just talking the green of Pepe the Frog. We're talking about kind of the market getting out of this funk where, quite frankly, if you are under appreciating what's going on right now within kind of the more macro side of the game, right? Here's the things. Trump said recession. Boom. NASDAQ had one of the worst days trading in its history. Trump tweets. Market goes up, market goes down. Jim Cramer's talking about crypto a lot. That's never a good sign. And then also, we do have the tariff war that's ongoing, and not to mention, we do have some conflict going over once and kind of forevermore within kind of the whole Israel Gaza Palestinian thing, as well as the conflict with Ukraine. So there is a lot of things happening in the world, and unfortunately as traders we have to be equipped to handle them all, because they all do one thing in common: they produce volatility. And I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on Pepe right now, and if a further crash is ahead as we get deeper into this. Please remember though, I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto. Always do your own research in what's best for you in your financial and crypto journeys, okay? But that's what I wanted to bring up, and we will touch on the chart right now, because we as Pepe holders have given back basically all of the gains that we've had since the early part of November, now trading below that support level. We have officially broken through, and all of this right here, guys, has been erased, okay? And unfortunately, it is what it is, okay? We've been talking about it. I've been kind of warning about this crash. This was back when we saw this turbulence happening pretty much in the middle of January. Yes, I do believe Pepe can win. I can tell you one thing though, I did stable up in a lot of my Pepe waiting for this day, because Pepe's going down. Ethereum has not pumped yet. Ethereum now under 2,000, under almost 1,800 as we're currently recording. And that's very important, because I do think if you connect all the dots on this one, guys, and call it market manipulation, you can call it whatever you want, put a bow on it. I don't really quite frankly care. All I want to tell you is that Pepe, if Ethereum does find its footing and gets to 4,000 or 5,000 and beyond, like analysts are predicting, Pepe will see a substantial amount of inflows, and they will be one of the direct benefactors of that equation. Now we look at Pepe at 505882 on the books, and as a recent kind of analysis, I mean, that fourth zero was just a little bit in time ago, all right? So let's not lose track of that. We've seen it before, guys. It's something where you don't want to be emotional. Don't become someone's exit liquidity as they ride the wave up. You have to ask yourself an honest question. Do you think crypto's dead? If you think crypto's dead and you think everything's going to zero, then yes, you probably should exit all of your Pepe. I'll never tell you to do that. You got to make the decision for yourself. But that's kind of what I'm referring to when I say you cannot be emotional. Okay, just as much as we saw Donald Trump put out a tweet, and then we saw the whole market explode, Cardano, one of the altcoins, one of the legacy layer ones that has just been around for forever, was one of the most non-sexy plays in cryptocurrency, and then going up 60% off the one tweet as ADA, Cardano, XRP, and Solana added to the strategic reserve. The buy the rumor, sell the news event that did happen, sure. But you got to understand kind of what we're going through right now, all right? And it's pretty much basic 101, but within tariffs, okay, it's creating a lot of volatility. Now, this tariff war is not just United States economy, it's the world economy. We're already talking about getting steel tariffs, 50%. I just read a headline. There's some crazy stuff going to be happening in the market, and it's not just going to be crypto that's going to be hit. They may be hit the hardest because of the volatility of digital assets, but it's something where this is going to have a trickle-down effect across the board, okay? And, I mean, you can even look at simple things such as egg prices, okay? The price of egg is actually, of a carton of eggs or a dozen of eggs, is actually mimicking and replicating the exact charts. If you take that chart as it graphs and plots the price trend of eggs, it actually is replicating what we're seeing right now in the crypto market. So this is nothing against Pepe. This is nothing against meme coins. It's not against Bitcoin. None of the fundamentals, none of the technicals or the utility within major cryptos are being affected. It's just the emotions and the sentiment across the board. Okay, this is all macro, in my opinion. All right, and we have to understand something, because as you look at Pepe right now, everybody and their brother was ready to buy Pepe back in February. Right here about 402, thinking that we were at a 50% discount, thinking Pepe would go to all-time highs. I still think Pepe can reach all-time highs, but what I'm trying to say to you guys is now we are faced with a 75% discount from those levels approximately, and that's how quickly things can change. So don't be naive. If you think that Pepe is not capable of going up 75% on the other side of that coin, then you're mistaken. It can happen just like this, guys. And I think that one day, if Ethereum does find its footing, we get off a little bit better, I think that's where Pepe will see its push, okay? But that's enough about that. We'll get out of the BTCC chart. Like I said, guys, sign up with that exchange. Links down below. But I wanted to talk with you guys, and this is not FUD, because I do believe in Pepe, like I said, but as we've broken through the support that we are seeing, is another major crash on the horizon, okay? This is where we have increased selling pressure. People are concerned. They're acting emotional. Liquidity's drying up. The network activity's collapsing. We've seen trading volume drop 43%. This is something, as we look into kind of the weekly losses, even surmounting even more so. We have seen a less amount of buying pressure, not just increased selling pressure, but the buys are discontinuing. So as that volume decreases, we're getting it both ways, and that's never a good thing, okay? So without demand, I really wonder if a recovery could shortly ensue. However, the bigger question right now is stabilization, all right? Right now, I want to see the market stabilize. If Bitcoin does get up above 90, do not be mistaken. I think the alts and the memes that will, that just as easy as they went down, they will see some rebound along the way. I think that one thing that does have a benefit for us as meme coin traders as well is that people want to make their money back quicker. And when that happens, people dive into meme coins. It's more flashy, it's more fast, and that's kind of where you see that fresh liquidity getting into more smaller memes that can hurt some of the big ones such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe alike, okay? But right now, guys, the big crux for us, I think, is Ethereum. If Ethereum cannot get above 2,000, Pepe is going to continue to slide, and that's just kind of how I see it. It's not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball. Pepe could go up 10,000% tomorrow for all we know. But that's just how I'm playing the market. Like I said, I stabled up in a lot of my Pepe. I'm not concerned with what's going on because as fast as this tariff stuff hit the market, it's as fast as it's going to exit the market. Okay. So we got to just hold the course. I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines, just to be honest with you guys and transparent. And that's why it's important to follow along with my videos each and every day as I give you guys insight to what I'm doing as I navigate the crypto world myself. Okay. But this is something where we have to look, and we did talk about it. I remember you could go back and look at my previous video. We talked about the crash. If we broke through the support, that we would be into the 504s and the 505s potentially, okay? And that's kind of what's holding serve right now. So unless we get some sentiment shift at the top, I do see more blood in the water for Pepe and a lot of the meme coins alike, all right? So that's my Pepe Coin update for the day. Don't get it twisted. I still am a fan. I still believe. I just want to see more of the better numbers before I'm ready to enter back in. And as it stands today, guys, the markets are hot, but they're not hot in a good way. It's very volatile. And right now, it's all about the quick buck. The institutional manipulation at the top is at a high point that we've ever seen, and that's never a good recipe for crypto to explode. All right, so I'll leave you guys with that. Leave a comment down below. Are you guys still holding Pepe? Do you still believe in Pepe? I want to know your thoughts. Kind of poll the audience in that one. And as I exit this video, guys, I'll remind you once more, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to check us out on BTCC. Start trading on that exchange if you are looking to enter the spot and futures market. It's available to U.S. clients and like everybody else. So have a great rest of your day. See you guys all in the next video with more continued updates.